Hey guys, welcome back to Gadget View. This is a review of Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, after 2 months of use. Redmi 5 Plus is definitely a good phone to buy, with this price range. As you guys already know that, the Redmi 5 Plus has a 5.99-inch display, with a 2160 by 1080 pixel resolution, and the curved edges around. These edges exactly look like the LG G6 and LG Q6. As for the designs look familiar. A metal body surrounds the screen, with plastic end caps on the back, to allow the antenna to operate, while a 2.5D curved piece of glass is over the display itself. The previous Redmi 4X was very comfortable to hold, and we expect the same from the Redmi 5 Plus. There are 4 color options: blue, gold, rose, and black with all but the black model having a wide bezel around the screen. A fingerprint sensor is set underneath a single rear camera lens and flash unit. There is a very thin black bezel surrounding the display, aside from the tiny bezel, so it's not a true borderless phone, but honestly it's not too bad. Navigation is done by the software, Android navigation keys, at the bottom of the display. Inside the Redmi 5 Plus is Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor. While Snapdragon 625 is a little old now, it's still a very capable chipset, thanks to its power-efficient nature and excellent GPU. The Redmi 5 Plus comes in a variety of configurations, with our unit being a 4GB plus 64GB variant. As for the camera is not good in this phone. It is still the same old camera that Xiaomi use. It has 12 megapixels rear camera, with f2.2 aperture, while the front camera has 5 megapixels, with a special soft selfie mode, plus Xiaomi Smart Beauty 3.0 feature, with face recognition. Still, we hope that Redmi Note 5 will feature a dual camera setup at the back. If there is one thing we really like about the Redmi 5 Plus, it's battery life. Coming in at 4000 mAh battery, the phone has enough juice to last you more than a day, with really heavy use. The phone utilizes Qualcomm Quick Charge tech, and the included charger outputs at 5 volt, for faster charging.